Imagine starting a brand new YouTube channel and in just 7 days, going from 0 to over 12,000 subscribers without showing your face, without a perfect voice, and without creating original videos from scratch. Sounds impossible, right? Well, that's exactly what I did. I copied videos from Chinese websites, gave them a twist with storytelling and commentary, and watched some of them skyrocket to tens of thousands of views. Some even blew up overnight. If you've ever wondered how faceless YouTube channels explode with views while others struggle for months, stay tuned, because in this video, I'm revealing the exact step-by-step method that made it happen and how you can do it too. For an entire week, I experimented by copying videos from Chinese websites and tweaking them slightly to see if I could go viral on a brand new channel. My goal was simple: figure out how many views and subscribers I could get in just 7 days, and whether I could grow that quickly. Most of you have probably seen YouTube shorts like these, and you already know they get insane engagement. One channel I studied even had a video hit over 440 million views. That's the kind of potential this niche holds, and it made me confident to give it a shot. The reason I chose this niche was clear. First, it has a huge audience, which the numbers prove. Second, even though I don't know how to cook or create certain content myself, I realized I could copy existing videos and twist them with commentary or a story. I created a brand new channel and gave it a unique name. To avoid shadow banning, I warmed up the channel for 2 days before uploading anything. Once the warm-up was done, I started my research. I identified 2 main competitors: Iconic Tales with close to 800,000 subscribers and Broken Stories with about 200,000 subscribers. I carefully studied their top-performing and least-performing videos to find patterns that work. After hours of analysis, I noticed 3 key patterns among the most successful videos. 1, they often use underdog stories, which inspire hope and resilience. 2, they include shocking or controversial elements, which trigger curiosity and strong emotional reactions. And 3, many top videos involve love and betrayal, which always engages viewers emotionally. Using these insights, I created prompts for ChatGPT to generate similar ideas and scripts. Once I pasted my concepts into ChatGPT, it generated multiple script options, which I could then refine. Generating the script was just the first step. Next, I needed a voiceover, since my own voice wasn't suitable for this type of content. For the voiceover, I used a free AI tool. I copied the script, selected a realistic AI voice, adjusted speed and tone, and exported it. This tool made it easy to turn a script into a professional-sounding narration in minutes. With the voice ready, I collected the video material. I visited Chinese websites to find videos with high engagement, copied the links, downloaded them, and imported them into CapCut for editing. I set the aspect ratio to 9:16 for mobile viewing, muted the original audio, and synced my AI voiceover perfectly with the visuals. Then I added captions, effects, transitions, and sound effects, which are crucial for making shorts engaging. The results were surprisingly quick. My first video got around 1,000 views and 15 subscribers on day 1. The next video started slow but crossed 4,000 views overnight, while another reached nearly 20,000 within the first few hours. I noticed that shorts usually get fewer views initially, but often spike a day or 2 later. To stay consistent, I used Tesa AI, which allowed me to post 2 videos daily, one in the morning and one in the evening. This helped me maintain momentum throughout the week. By the end of the week, I had uploaded 8 videos, which together brought me over 280,000 views and 12,000 subscribers. A few of them went unexpectedly viral. One hit 90,000 views, another crossed 65,000, and engagement was climbing every day. Using AI tools like ChatGPT and Tesa AI allowed me to scale fast while keeping my workflow simple and efficient. The results proved that even with limited time and no face reveal, faceless content can perform extremely well if done strategically. This 7-day challenge taught me a lot. You don't need a big setup, expensive camera, or even your voice to go viral. All you need is creativity, consistency, and a clear system. By copying videos, adding your own storytelling, and using AI for scripts and voiceovers, you can create professional quality content that grabs attention and builds subscribers fast. If you stick to this formula and post regularly, your faceless YouTube channel can grow faster than you ever expected. Start simple, stay consistent, and watch your numbers grow day by day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.